Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Confirm you have the exact site URL, sitemap file, and a Google account. First, choose property type. Pick domain for full coverage or URL prefix for a specific protocol. Once chosen, initiate Add Property in Search Console and copy the verification token shown. You need access to your DNS or hosting to add that token. This is the step that proves ownership and lets Google trust your site for indexing and reporting. Once you've added the DNS-TXT record or uploaded the HTML file, return to Search Console and click Verify. If verification fails, allow DNS up to 48 hours and retry. After verification, submit your sitemap. XML under sitemaps to speed discovery and monitor coverage for crawl errors. Then configure settings, set preferred domain, check mobile usability, and adjust URL parameter handling so Google crawls efficiently. These steps help Google understand site structure and prioritize important pages. Now monitor performance and coverage. Watch clicks, impressions, and index status to verify Google is crawling and ranking pages. For new or updated pages, use URL inspection and request indexing to prompt a recrawl. Make sure pages return 200 and aren't blocked by robots. TXT or noindex tags. If something breaks, recheck verification status, validate your DNS or uploaded file, and use Fetch as Google to spot rendering problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.